So guys, this is Nitya and now we are going to start with the chapter number 5 of 12th NCERT, that is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Before starting the chapter, we need to know some of the terms which are important. First, variation. Variation, it is a difference between the characters of parents and progeny. Second, inheritance. It is a transmission of character from parents to offspring. Third, that is allele. It is an alternative form of gene. Fourth, dominant character. Character which is expressed and indicated with capital letter. Example, both the tallness will be shown with capital T, roundness will be shown with capital R. Fifth, recessive character. Character which is suppressed and it is indicated with small letter like small t for dwarf and small r for wrinkled. Sixth, homozygous character. It is a chromosome which carries similar allele of genes, that is both will be capital or both will be small. And heterozygous character. Chromosome carry dissimilar allele of gene, like one will be capital T and small t, second one will be small t, one will be capital Y and second will be small y. Then comes phenotypic. It is a visible character which is physical appearance जो actually हमें दिखता है. Genotypic, it is a genetic contribution which is invisible जो actually हमारे सेल के अंदर होता है. Now let's study father of genetics. So father of genetics, Gregor Johann Mendel, which he actually took 7 pairs of inherited characters from pea plant. The reason why he selected pea plant as a model is because pea plant is self-pollinated and flower is bisexual. Second, hybrids are fertile. Third, contrasting trait is observed. Fourth, short life cycle. Result can be early. Like उनका जो life cycle है वो बहुत कम है, like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, तो उसमें हमें रिजल्ट काफ़ी जल्दी मिल सकता है. फिफ्थ, easy to cultivate. Sixth is pure variety available easily. And the pea plant's Latin name is Pisum sativa. Steps which are making a cross in pea. First, selection. 2 pea plants of contrasting characters. Second, emasculation. Another removal, obtain a female parent. Anther is removed from a female parent. Third, pollination. Collect pollen from male parent and pollinate on the stigma of the female parent. Like यहाँ पे वो pollination खुद नहीं होगा, हम male parents से pollen निकालेंगे और वही हम ही जाकर मतलब स्टिग्मा पर रख देंगे. Fourth, collection and germination. Seeds to produce offspring.